Today's recipe is spicy, green banana skin and shrimp mashed. It's so delicious and healthy. Green banana skin. Peel the banana thick. Wash before cut. Cut small pieces. Done. Transfer to the pan. Add some garlic cloves, some green chili. Add 1 cup water. Salt to taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Cover and boil until water dry. Water is dry. Fry 1 more minute. Done. Transfer to the blender jar. Blend it. In a pan, add 2 teaspoon oil and add 4 pieces shrimp. Salt. Fry 2 minutes. Done. Banana skin and shrimp blend together. Done. Transfer to the plate. Dry roasted chili 2 and fried onion 2 tablespoons. Crush the chili. Add 2 tablespoons coriander leaf. Mix everything together. Add mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Mix again. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.